Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with finding the right razor kit that combines comfort, convenience, and a smooth shave, today's review might just solve that problem. We're looking at the Billie Razors for Women Shave Kit, which includes a razor, 4 5-blade razor refills, a magnetic holder, and even a shave gel and cleanser, formulated specifically for sensitive skin down there. So, if you're tired of those quick razors that leave you with irritation or not so smooth skin, keep watching. The Billie Razors for Women Shave Kit is all about making your shaving routine easier and more enjoyable. The kit includes a razor with a non-slip ergonomic handle, ensuring that it's easy to hold even with wet hands. It features a pivoting head for those hard-to-reach areas, giving you a precise shave with minimal effort. You get 4 5-blade razor refills, each with sharp, nickel-free blades that are surrounded by aloe shave soap, designed to glide smoothly across the skin. One of the standout features of this set is the magnetic holder. It's a simple yet brilliant addition, keeping your razor off the shower floor and out of any water puddles, which helps keep it cleaner and extends its lifespan. A small thing, but one that makes a difference in daily use. The kit also includes a shave gel and a cleanser, both formulated to be pH balanced. The shave gel transforms into a foam as you apply it, providing a protective barrier that helps prevent irritation while shaving. It's ultra gentle and designed to match your vulva's natural pH, making it perfect for sensitive skin, especially in intimate areas. Now let's talk about real-world use. I tested this razor in the shower for several days to get a feel for its performance. First of all, the ergonomic handle makes it easy to grip even when wet, and the pivoting head makes maneuvering around curves and delicate areas simple. The blades are sharp and effective, cutting through hair without tugging, leaving my skin feeling smooth without any nicks or cuts. The aloe shave soap around the blades helps the razor glide without dragging on the skin, and the shave gel creates a nice barrier that keeps irritation at bay. One thing I noticed right away was the comfort. A lot of razors I've used in the past have left me with some redness or bumps, but the Billie razor kept irritation to a minimum, which is a big win. The shave gel also worked wonders on sensitive areas. No discomfort or burns afterward, which can sometimes happen with harsher products. However, there are a few things to consider. While the razor and handle are great for easy maneuvering, the shave gel could be a bit thicker for those who prefer a more cushioned feel. But it's not a deal breaker, especially if you're looking for a gentle, pH-balanced product. Now, let's talk about value. This shave kit isn't the cheapest option out there, but considering the quality of the razor, the refills, and the magnetic holder, it's definitely a good value for what you're getting. The added bonus of the pH-balanced shave gel and cleanser also makes it feel more like a complete grooming experience rather than just a standard razor kit. In terms of build quality, the razor and handle feel sturdy. The magnetic holder is a nice touch and ensures you don't have to worry about the razor getting all wet and grimy on the shower floor. As for longevity, the blades seem to hold up pretty well. Each refill lasts several uses without dulling, so the kit should last you a decent amount of time. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. If you're considering alternatives, there are other high-quality razors on the market, but the Billie kit's razor design, magnetic holder, and thoughtful pH-balanced shaving products are hard to beat in this price range. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, you could look into razors that offer similar blade counts, but lack some of the extras like the magnetic holder. To sum it up, the Billie Razors for Women Shave Kit delivers on comfort, precision, and gentle care. It's perfect for anyone who wants a smooth, irritation-free shave without the hassle. The razor design is great, the shave gel is pH balanced for sensitive skin, and the magnetic holder is a clever touch that elevates the experience. If you're looking for a complete, effective shaving solution, this kit is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.